Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now this tool really sounds good, right? I have mentioned that it doesn't support few browsers yet, but beside that, it sounds too good to be true, right? So what's the catch? So let me go over some of the limitations of Cypress. Cypress is a powerful and popular test automation tool, but like any other technology, it has its limitations. Some of the limitations of Cypress include Cypress only supports JavaScript, limited browser support. Cypress doesn't provide support for browsers like Safari and IE at this moment. While support for other browsers is on the roadmap, testing on a wider range of browsers may require additional tools or configurations. Single tab testing. Cypress operates in a single browser tab, which means it may not be suitable for testing scenarios that involve multiple browser tabs or windows. File uploads. File upload testing can be challenging with Cypress as it does not natively support. Can be done, but it just extra bit of work, right? Next limitation is test data management. Mapping test data within Cypress can be challenging, especially for complex scenarios that involve large data sets or external databases. Community and plugin ecosystem. While Cypress has a growing community and an active development team, its plugin ecosystem may not be as extensive as some other test automation tools. The other automation tools been there for a very long time and the support community is there. So despite these limitations, Cypress remains a popular and valuable test automation tool due to its user-friendly interface, fast execution, real-time testing, and active community support. However, it's essential to understand these limitations and evaluate whether Cypress aligns with the specific testing requirements of your project. I highly recommend you to check out Cypress. It's an awesome tool. See you in the next video. Happy testing.